Hello, fellow gardeners. I want to apologize to you that we did not make a video last week. We're right in the middle of this gardening season. We're so busy. People are coming from everywhere, getting soil and seeds and plants. And not only that, Friday, Judy and I had to haul a load of plants to Oklahoma City. The nurseries are begging us to bring them up there because they're out of plants also. Never had a gardening season like this before. We've never had a virus season like this before. But also, we've started our produce season too, so we're also hauling produce to the fruit stands up through there. So we had a double whammy this Friday. A long day, heavy rain, high winds, so it was a full day. Yes, I didn't answer my phone all day Friday. I know people's upset with me because I didn't answer. I couldn't because I was driving in the storms and everything, or either unloading. So bear with me. Now then, first of this week now, I will get on to those phone calls and try to answer every one of them. They're stacked up on there. There's, I don't know, 50 or 60 or 70 of them on there. And then, of course, you know, we keep Saturday as our Sabbath. So I don't answer my phone on Saturday. So the people that call in on Saturday don't get an answer either. So that put another 50 or so on there. So I've got lots of phone calls that I'm behind on. I'll try to catch up the first part of this next week, but there's phone calls to be coming in every day. Yes, I know this started back yonder when we didn't know we was going to have a YouTube channel, when Daniel Arms in Houston was down here visiting, and we put our telephone number on there so you could call and talk about these high tunnels and everything, and that's still fine. I'm still trying to respect you and answer your phone calls. I'm going to tell you something. It's a lot better to get through to me on a text, because when I call you, usually we'll talk 10 or 15 minutes, and it gets other calls coming in, getting behind. If you'll text to me on that same number, that 580-564-5909, I will text right back to you as quick as I can. If I'm driving, I can't text to you, but I will get back to your question as soon as I can. So texting is a lot better than calling. I'm going to be honest with you. All right, now then, also, I want to thank all the children for getting in on this contest. We're getting a lot of texts and calls that they're getting in on this. They're excited about growing in these buckets and these tubs and the soil. They want to know how to enter, and you don't have to enter. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You just go ahead and get your gardening going, either in a bucket or a tub or in the soil. Your tomatoes or your peppers or your pumpkins or your watermelons, and just get after it, get to gardening. And then when you take pictures of your child doing some of this. Now then, when you get down and you got your big fruit, say it's a tomato, and you're going to weigh it, you're going to get a picture of that big tomato on that vine with that child. And then take that fruit and go put it on a scale and get you a official weight of the picture of that scale and that fruit and that child in the picture, and you turn that in to me, and that's going to be your official weigh-in. Now I'm going to tell you, you know, Houston's been challenging me on growing watermelons for the last couple of years, and he's done it again. He beat me last year. And Jack on, you know, on Grow Jack Outdoors, I'm going to show you his channel here. Judy's going to hold it down in front of the camera, Judy, and show them there that this is Grow Jack Outdoors. That Grow Jack is one word and then a skip and then the outdoors. He's the little boy that last year that grew a pumpkin over 500 pounds. And he's challenged me to growing another pumpkin this year. He says he's going to grow one close to 1,000 pounds, what he's trying to do. Now I'm going to tell you, this is the kind of competition that I've got. These kids, even came, he's 11 years old. He came down here this last week. His dad brought him down. He brought me some seed so I wouldn't have an excuse not to. I could say, oh, I didn't have any seed, you know, grow them big 1,000-pound pumpkins. He brought me one down here. Let me show you what he's brought me. He brought me a pumpkin seed here that come out of a 1,784-pound pumpkin. Look at that seed. Look how big it is. I don't have any excuses not trying to grow a big pumpkin. He also brought me another pumpkin seed out of a 1,388-pound pumpkin. They're mean business. They want me to get after this and grow some of this stuff. Now, Jack also says he's going to try to grow one over 100 pound on this watermelon deal. He even brought me some watermelon seed. Look here. Here's a watermelon seed out of a 251.5 pound watermelon that was grown, and he got some of the seed, and he was willing to come and share me some. Here's one out of a 272.5 pound watermelon. Now, Jack brought these down here to me, and you can go on his website there, on his YouTube channel, on that Grow Jack Outdoors, and see what he did. And matter of fact, he even made a video while he was down here and giving me these seeds, and we got in the greenhouse and took a picture of the tomatoes and all. So you can go to his YouTube channel and see that video. I didn't take a video of him down here. I was busy, and he just showed up on me, and he and his dad visited with me a little bit. So go look at his YouTube channel and see what he did down here. And then we're going to fix these pumpkins and watermelons. I'm going to have to get after it. I got to stay in the competition and see if I can beat these kids. All right, well, that's all I got to tell you tonight, I think. Just text me if you got a question need to be answered, and we'll get back with you. If you like this, ring the bell, subscribe, punch the button, and we're going to make you another video.